Zero Shadow Day observed in Bengaluru on the 18th of August. Zero Shadow Day. Zero Shadow Day take place on August 18 in 2023. It happened at 12:24 p.m. The Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, which are fictitious lines around the Earth, are the only areas where this phenomenon occurs. What is Zero Shadow Day? A rare celestial event called Zero Shadow Day occurs twice a year. No living thing or object casts a shadow when the sun is at its highest point in the sky. For about 3 minutes on May 21, 2021, Bhubaneswar, Orissa, observed Zero Shadow Day. Zero Shadow Days, ZSD, are the days when the sun rises at true east and sets at true west. Every 2 years, when the sun is directly overhead, all shadows disappear for a brief period of time. The sun's beams will precisely hit a place that is parallel to the surface when it is at its highest point in the sky. Zero Shadow Day history. Zero Shadow Day occurs twice daily at a given location. The Cancer and Capricorn tropics are the usual locations. Any object's shadow falls precisely beneath it when the sun is at its zenith, highest point in the sky, which causes the shadow to vanish. As a result of their proximity to the tropics of Cancer and Capricorn, the Indian states of Chennai, Mumbai, and Pune are likely to have zero shadow days. However, New Delhi is not. No Shadow Day 2023 and idea behind it. No Shadow Day 2023. The Earth's rotation axis, which is 23.5 degrees inclination to the plane of its movement around the Sun, is what causes seasons. At its highest point during the year, the Sun will travel from 23.5 degrees south of the celestial equator to 23.5 degrees north of the equator Uttarayan, and return Dakshinayan. One Zero Shadow Day happens during the Uttarayan when the Sun moves northward, and the other happens during the Dakshinayan, when the Sun moves southward. For those residing between 23.5 degrees north and 23.5 degrees south latitudes, the Sun's declination will be equal to their latitude twice. Zero Shadow Day significance. It is observed in cities all around the world twice a year, in May and July or August. The effect can be noticed for up to a minute and a half, even though this phenomenon only lasts a fraction of a second. An extremely unusual celestial phenomenon known as a Zero Shadow Day occurs when no shadow of an entity can be visible. It happens twice a year at all locations between the tropics of Cancer and Capricorn when the Sun reaches its highest position in the sky. On Zero Shadow Day, when the Sun is directly overhead at a particular latitude, a subsolar point is reached. The spot on the surface where the Sun's rays land will be exactly perpendicular to it when it is at its zenith, highest point in the sky. This will cause the shadow of any item to fall exactly beneath it, giving the impression that there are no shadows. Where is Zero Shadow Day in India 2023? Zero Shadow Day 2023 in India will be observed in Bengaluru today, August 18, at 12:24 p.m., when the Sun will align directly overhead, producing an amazing visual. What is Zero Shadow Day August 18? Bengaluru, the technology hub of India, is all set to experience a rare celestial event of Zero Shadow Day on Friday, August 18. What is the concept of Zero Shadow Day? Zero shadow day happens twice a day at a particular place. It usually happens in the regions between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Is zero shadow day on the 18th of August 2023. In 2023, zero shadow day is happening on August 18th. Why is there no shadow at 12 p.m.? Zero shadow day occurs when the sun will be directly overhead at local noon, and hence any vertical object will cast no shadow.